Ka video itabang intro ki koidem tia ka gel gele. I thought it should be very natural. So kehon ICCN Evangelical Congregational Churches of Nepal annual conference kaman wahin tuai hompi kizaitan karuma kahongin kahopmin zongle. I'm very happy. I'm just so happy I cannot express my joy. We had a blessed event. Lamka hile keo director pa ilole EC Church director pa Global Mission Global Ministry Commission GMC Evangelical Churches Global Director pa Executive Director pa Reverend Tepju Speaker Rahin and Pastor Khatsam Speaker Rahung Rahin. We had a very busy week. Hobung thum inauguration ka bolwin. Praise the Lord. Khatsu video kana ko hitan. And then we had this annual conference. It's annual conference ahi Nepala hobung kana yuso say altogether 23 maybe now. So it is church hochu kyawan kaki loi home si wahin na. So yeah. And praise God for everything. So subtitles hawang ha koi pum katin akala lale background voice so kan say dia hin. So the purpose of like making this video was history record na dinga kan ko yahi, so that one day kyo like for not just for our family but maybe the churches in Nepal, the churches in Langa Honzong, maybe after 50 years, 100 years, they can look back and see how God was working in this country. So YouTube ana umlaile, it will be a record. I'm just making this video. Stay with me. I'm sure you will feel blessed. Cannot express my joy today. Keju worship lead to bao translation mapona kanaya hina. And I came to my room, videos also COVID. I became so much teary. Azichu kum 29 kahita itu ni tuahi. And I'm just trying to remember kum so masanga annual conference so we used to be very little na chom khat kahi jiu jo mi sa khat zani wang ponte sa khat ham inte, but tuni almost 22 churches gathered together and like raising hands and praising God in this land. It's like when everybody was raising hand kalungela unjo amit kalunga unjo ipiam tile pakai van kam hi iti adop tiam na. And the privilege I also got to lead, to translate was even to witness all those things by God's grace, by mercy. It's a blessing, it's an honor to lead God's people. Masang hoa ki Bible college aga say 5 years ipon to 6-7 years gap anahitai. I was busy outside studying and but after I finished all my studies back to mission field full time. After 5-6 years I got the opportunity to lead the congregation again. Got overwhelmed, got nervous. My close friends it had been a long time. uh, but then it didn't be everything went well, and now I'm trying to remember before kung som masanga before 10 years when I used to lead. It's also me Tom Sakhat, and then kagyal gyal kum som masanga zong kana lead zina ipiti ka lead zina mang po video hola umlo Zongle, after 10 years, when we look at these annual conferences, God is working in this country. Tiana. I also looked at people's faces. Kadin do milim hotsuko vete. Koyam hotsu. So many people have become much older na. So many people have ipitiria masanga 10 years matang masanga just a youth hosang tu ni pastor hilole elder ordination at sangtan ani o khat hi reverena at san pahi pastor puna thapa kiti ama chu ke organization na chairman zanga hina hepu ama che hepu tingate bas baba puna baba testimony hi I'll try and make another video on that Nepal holding a missionary masang missionary lo bi Nepali hola pathin to head masang loy ho hina, so he was persecuted badly, he was beaten by the Nepali government ha second te tam ta thu a hobong tam ta phu do hi. So we have such people in our churches na, so it's such a big blessing. I looked at those people and I praised God for these people's life, for the leaders life, for the people's life, and that pathin God kept us together over these years. And yeah, I'm just sharing my blessings to all of you, that you would continue to pray for not just us but for everybody who's been serving God.